Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be making some Flamin Hot Cheeto Mozzarella Sticks. Let's get started. You'll need about a half a cup to a cup of flour, some onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasons. You want to mix that all up with the flour. Then you want to cut your mozzarella sticks. If you don't already have them in halves, cut them in halves. Or you can keep them whole, depending on how you want them. You want to dip them in the flour, then in the egg. Some people will go ahead and go over to the Cheetos, but me, I like to go back into the flour and then back into the egg one more time. And then into the Cheeto mix. While we're at it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. It'd be really, really helpful. Now, as you see here, I'm going in the Cheeto mix. You want to press it down first and then roll it. You don't want to just roll it from the beginning because all you're going to do is kind of like smear the flour off of it. So until you got it covered up, until you think it looks good, then you want to put it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. From there, we'll take it over to the oil. As you see, I already did a batch. But you want your oil at around 325 to 350. You want to fry them on each side for about a minute to 2 minutes or until you see cheese. And then you should be done. If you guys like that, let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time.